Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer use the Walmart app and you want to go ahead and delete it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you want to go ahead and find the Walmart app on your phone. And so on an iPhone, this is what it looks like. So we're actually going to go ahead and type in Walmart. Now, once you see the Walmart app on the upper hand side, you want to click and hold it so that this drop down menu appears. And so with it, towards the bottom, you can actually click on delete apps so that you delete the Walmart app and remove it. So if we click on delete app, it'll just confirm with us if we want to go ahead and delete the Walmart app. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.